Understanding the phrase, see eye to eye, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, see eye to eye. This idiom is commonly used in English conversations, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's get started. The phrase, see eye to eye, is an idiom that means to agree with someone or to have the same opinion or views about something. It's important to note that this phrase is used when two or more people have a similar perspective or thoughts on a particular topic. It's a metaphorical expression, suggesting that when people see things from the same level or viewpoint, they are in agreement. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help in remembering its usage. The phrase, see eye to eye, is believed to have biblical origins, specifically from the book of Isaiah in the Old Testament. Over time, it has become a common expression in everyday English to indicate agreement or mutual understanding. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. After a long discussion, we finally saw eye to eye on the marketing strategy. 2. It's rare for the entire committee to see eye to eye on such complex issues. 3. My sister and I don't see eye to eye on many things, but we both love horror movies. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing agreement or consensus. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to express the same idea differently. Some synonyms for see eye to eye include agree, concur, be in accord, be of the same mind. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of see eye to eye. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your language skills, making your conversations more engaging and authentic. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself using these expressions naturally in your daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.